So, we have a tripod unboxing today. There's a box the tripod came in. An Amazon box, of course. It's what you would say rectangular. It has like little legs that, microscope up and down, and microscopic legs. So I'm gonna just look at it and play around with it and figure out more about it by reading the manual. And yes, you should always read the manual. But use the tripod to go at various angles. It goes up and down, and it swivels, and I just think this will be great for like filming like cooking videos or art videos. I'm kind of excited to see how I can manipulate, twirl, and twist the camera while using the tripod.